Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Alright guys, good morning. I'm Clyde Demery. Welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. As you can see behind me, guys, beautiful, beautiful, calm water, just a slick, beautiful bluebird skies. Hey, I got fishing rod in hand. Let's see if we can get on a few this morning. Let's go with the crankbait. Oh, yeah. Let's do the crankbait this morning. Yeah, I think I got the right rod this morning. Let's see. Yeah, I did. Right. Water back up high, too high. Uh-oh, got something, y'all. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Looks like a bass, guys. Looks like a bass. Like a nice one, too. How in the world did he get off? That was a nice bass. That was a real nice bass, y'all. And the rascal got right off right at the bank again. How in the world are they getting off these treble hooks, man? First catch, y'all. First catch. Alright guys, caught the first one. Caught him on the H2OX lipless crankbait. All right, buddy, let's get you back home. Nice catch, though. Yes, sir. Nice catch. Let's get you back. Thanks for coming by, buddy. There you go. Whatever you is. Oh, nice. Daggone white perch. Wow, that thing is huge. Good gracious. Oh, wow. Let's do a short with you, buddy. Yeah, get you back in. I don't know. I might give you to somebody. Alright guys, fishing this place down here in Grimesland. This is one of the bigger ponds, man. Look at the size of this white perch. If I had a few more of these, I would take them home and cook them. Let's get them back in the water. Thanks, buddy.